Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: app installed, permissions granted, and a project chosen. Open Snapshot and sign in. Once done, choose an existing project or create a new one and name it clearly. Make sure to back up any prior work before proceeding. Next, tap the camera icon to begin capturing, position the device steady, and use grid lines for alignment. You'll want to set resolution and format now so all later steps process consistently and avoid rework. You'll now focus on detailed capture and organization. Frame each shot using grid and HDR and adjust manual focus for critical detail. This reduces noise and improves recognition. Once images are captured, immediately add tags, timestamps, and location metadata so you can filter later. Then group related snapshots into albums or sequences. This enables batch processing and easy retrieval. Make sure to rename files with meaningful prefixes so teammates can follow the workflow without confusion. You finish by processing and exporting your snapshots. Run batch tasks like crop, annotate, and apply filters. Once done, preview results before exporting. Choose formats such as JPG, PNG, or PDF, set resolution and consistent naming rules, then export to cloud or local folders. If something goes wrong, first clear the app cache and restart. If problems persist, reauthorize permissions or reinstall the app. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues. If not,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.